Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. So today I want us to test this new number site here called KiteSIM. I want us to try verifying my Atapol account using the number from KiteSIM. They provide very legit numbers for many countries. I'm going to show you. But before we go there, let us try to verify an account using the number from KiteSIM. So this is my Atapol account here. So I want to copy this number, this one here. So let's see whether it will work. Perfect. So once you input the number, you wait for the SMS. So let me click here. See, the SMS is here. So just put this SMS here. So that's a confirmation that their numbers can work on any site. If they have worked on Atapol here, believe me, they can work on any other site that you want to work on, or whichever service you want to use them on. It's all depending on how you want to use it on. So that's a confirmation that these numbers are really working. Now, I wanted to show, the point of this video is not creating an Atapol account. It's just showing that their numbers are actually working, and you can see the live proof here. So let me go back to their site here. So the site is called KiteSIM, and they have various type of services. They have numbers, and then they have eSIM. So once you buy an eSIM, come here. You go to inactive here. So once you buy an eSIM, you have to activate it on your device. So just click activate here. It gives you a QR code which you're going to scan on your device. So let me show you how to do it, whereby you're supposed to scan the QR code following these instructions here. So let me go to my device here. So let's click add SIM. So scan, let's scan the code. Okay, continue. Then our SIM card is for data only, but you can also activate it for voice and data. So let's try this one. So done. So once you add it, click on it. You say turn on the line. So let's me deactivate one of my line here. And my SIM card is on. Now the next step is to click on it here. Then following these instructions, we change the APN to mb.iot. So you go to mobile network here, APN here, we change it to mb.iot, like that. You're good to go. Yeah, and that's how you activate your eSIM. This is among the most affordable permanent number site I have come across, and this website is Chinese based, so you always use a site with a Google Translator so that you can be able to understand how the website is all about. They provide 4G and 5G eSIMs. So, and they provide eSIMs for these countries here. Yeah, they provide eSIM and number for United States, Canada, and the UK for now. It's a pretty new site. They'll be adding more countries to support, but for now they're only supporting these 3 countries. They're offering both eSIM and permanent numbers, which can be used on any site you want to work on, or whichever service you want to use the number on. So they are the cheapest ever number site. And then the cool part about a KiteSIM number, for example, this number for 1 month for $7.8 is not restricted to a particular site. You can buy this number and use it on any site you can think of. Other permanent number site, they restrict using a number to a particular site. And then the one for a universal number goes for very expensive prices. But here, a universal number which can be able to use on any site cost only for $7.8. This is around $8. This is the most affordable site you can think of. I will leave the link for registration under the comment section of this video. You can pay a subscription for quarterly, whereby you just pay $20 for quarterly is around how many months? 3 months, I think. Yeah, you can pay half a year for $42. So you'll be able to use your number without any issue on any particular site that you want. It's not restricted to a particular site. That's the beauty part of the KiteSIM number. Now, the same applies for Canada and the United Kingdom. If you want to buy numbers from those particular locations, the cost is the same, almost the same, that is. For Canada is around $15. It's still cheap because you can use this number on any site that you want to work on. Yeah, and the Canada, they have so many numbers here, so just select the number you want. Then for the UK, let's see how much they cost. UK is almost the same cost as the one for the United States, is around $8. Half an year is 15.8. Remember, this number can be used on any site. They are not specific for a particular site, so you're not limited to use the number on any site. So yeah, then if you click numbers, if you want to buy a number, if you want to click SIM card, you just come here under network. They support SIM cards for all these countries here. Yeah, so you can buy SIM card for any of these countries. For example, I bought for United States here. So for eSIM, it's sold in terms of traffic or bandwidth. So you can get the one for 15 GB, 20 GB, 30 GB, and so much forth. So yeah, so the cost increases as the number of bandwidth increases on your plan. So once you have a balance, once you select whatever you want, you just click checkout. Then they have an option of unlimited. This whereby you have no limits in the number of traffic you want to use. So this is an eSIM which is unlimited. You can use it as many times as you need, and it's only cost you $40 per month. But they have a standard one which has a data cap. Depending with the traffic that you buy, this is the amount. So once you want to buy, just click checkout. And then confirm the amount the plan you have selected. Then choose the method of payment. You can pay from your balance. You can see I've already loaded my balance in order to buy this eSIM. You can also use the token, that is the USDT. They support USDT, or you can even load your account balance and then click confirm, and your order will be processed. So once you buy, you go back to this page, come here under order. If you have bought a number, it will take like 2 minutes to be activated, and then once it's activated, it will be here. You are going to get your number here under use sections. Yeah, if it expires, you're going to get it here, and so much forth. For the eSIM, if it's inactive, it will appear here. If it's in use, it's going to appear here. If it's expired, it's going to appear here. So that's how you use KiteSIM number site. Yeah, so this is the most affordable site I've ever seen. So if you're looking for a number, for a permanent number site where you can be able to buy numbers for doing various stuff, verifying various sites, or when you're traveling to other countries and you want to buy an affordable number, a legit affordable number, consider checking out KiteSIM. If you're interested, I'll put the link for registering for KiteSIM under the description of this video. Try it out and give me the feedback under the comment section. You can also join my Telegram channel and Telegram groups, and also ask any question there that you need, and I'll be able to answer every single person. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share my content, interact with my content, and I'll be very, very much grateful. So guys, thank you for watching, and keep it locked to my next video.